Hi, this is Mark from LongIslandWatch.com. Finally, the day has come. If you want to put your hands on an Islander, you can. For the weekend of October 21st, 22nd, and 23rd, Islander will be presenting a table or a booth at the Windup Watch Fair. This is a fair that's been going on for several years now. I attended in 2017 as a vendor with Squale, and 18 as a vendor with Orient. I just went as a kind of customer for a couple of years. I'm back this year with my own brand Islander, and I'm really excited to share it with everybody, whoever wants to come and see. The show is open to the public, totally free. It's like I said, it's a 3-day event. Go to windupwatchfair.com and you can see all the details of where it is, kind of in the Chelsea area of Manhattan. So if you live in the area, maybe in the tri-state area, come by and see. And like I said, there's over 50 brands presenting from what I can see on their website. And because I'm actually interested not only for my own brand, but for other brands that I've never put my hands on that I'm gonna check out. But just some of the notable brands, Oris, G-Shock, Young Hands, Zodiac, Christopher Ward, Brew. I really wanna check out. That 8-bit watch is so awesome. Fortis, Ferrer, Bulova, Citizen, it goes on and on and on. Hanhart, Laco, MK2, Notice, Laurier, Seiko, Spinnaker, too many brands, Yema, Zodiac, Vortic, cool stuff there, like vintage pocket watch movements repurposed into watches. Anyway, a lot of really cool stuff. So if you're in the area, any of those 3 days, come on down. Love to show you the brand, and not just mine. Check out what everyone else is doing in the watch space, and that's it. Hope to see you there.